Governor, Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister greet people on the eve of Christmas. A girl student files PIL to High Court on incompletion of water project under National Rural Drinking Water Program in Manipur. Paddy crops of at least 450 hectares of fields were destroyed by rain early this month. And protesters destroyed vehicles in Marangching village for violating ban against railway construction in Noni district. Hello and welcome to Impact News, watching Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. First up, Governor Dr. Nachma Heptullah, Chief Minister Nongthom Biren, Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar and several ministers have greeted the people of Manipur on the eve of Christmas. In her message, the governor said Lord Jesus was the true messenger of the Almighty, sent with the objective to bring a new world based on truth, humility, sacrifice, equality, compassion and peace. She said she joined the celebration and wishes the people a very Merry Christmas. Chief Minister Nongthom Biren in his message said Christmas is celebrated with gaiety and fervor to mark the birth of Lord Jesus Christ. He wished that the festival brings peace, harmony and prosperity in the state. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar also greeted the people on the occasion of Christmas. In his message, Joy Kumar said Lord Jesus spread the message of peace, love and harmony to mankind, and he sacrificed his life for the cause of mankind. He wished that the festival bring peace, harmony to the people of Manipur. Works Minister Thongam Biswajit in his Christmas message said Christmas is celebrated cutting across religion, caste and creed and is a unifying event. He hoped that the festival brings trust among communities living in the state. Mahut Minister Thongnaujam Shyam Kumar also greeted the people, especially the Christians, on the eve of the festival. In his Christmas greeting, Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Sham said, as the world lights candles for Christmas this year, may the light of love, kindness and compassion glows in every heart, and may being peace and goodwill prevail in the midst of people. Christmas carols were sung at the Raj Bhavan yesterday. Members of City Church, ECA, New Ambulance Imphal and children sang carols at Raj Bhavan. Chairperson of Manipur State Social Welfare Board, Maishnam Priyomala, has also greeted the people on the eve of Christmas. Technopole District Police, led by SP Dr. S. Ibomcha, presented the villager with Christmas gifts on the eve of Christmas. The team, including a DSP More Police T.H. Krishnatombi, presented Christmas gift to village chiefs of the district and representatives of Kuki Student Organization, More, Kuki Women Union and Human Rights. Mapi Council presented Christmas gifts to villagers of Kharam Palen in Senapati district. They presented water tank and food items to the people. Mapi Council President and Bimol Maite appealed to the government to give due attention to the development of the village. A girl student has filed a public interest litigation to the High Court on incompletion of water project under the National Rural Drinking Water Program in Manipur. The girl student of college filed a PIL against the incompletion if several water projects taken up under the National Rural Drinking Water Program, including a water supply scheme at Hayel Labuk in Thoubal district. The student Hasina Ayub, aged 22 years, a daughter of Mohammed Ayub Khan from Hayel Labuk in Wangkhem constituency in Thawal district today told the media persons at Manipur Press Club that she filed the PIL as the people of Hayel Labuk area have been facing a serious water problem for a long time and the water supply scheme at Hayel Labuk remained incomplete for the last 10 years. She said the PIL includes all the water supply schemes launched in the state. The government of Manipur, PHED, Chief Engineer, Executive Engineer of PHE, Thawal Division are respondents and Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation as performer respondent.
Koi han ising adum pukri gumba ajawa koi public pon sidage adum charam mane aduda akoina 2007 se hojiki scheme chi lang matam da akoina yam harau zaruba badi duga hoji phawba completed oide fajana construction chu loi chandringa da kai ba haudare Facebook ta ina hang mane karam karam rural area sing da say water drinking chi phangdam na da am complaint lakpa adudagi di aina sidi all Manipur gi oina thabana phare haina PIL se adumba da oina chatkibani ba aduna aina pamjari shojik rural area sing sugumba phangdaba sing sidage moi data sing piraga cases se mai pakna aibde akhoi punna oraga Manipur da safe drinking water rural area da phangan se haibudune.
Paddy crops of at least 450 hectares of fields were destroyed by the rain that lashed several parts of the state early this month. Director of Agriculture PH Rajendra stated that they have submitted a report on the loss to Authority of Relief Disaster Management stating that 450 hectares of paddy fields were destroyed by the rain early this month, rendering it unfit for harvest. The director was speaking to media persons at the Farmers Awareness Program on cultivation of rabi crops under Priority Command areas of river lift irrigation at Haingang Mayailekai. He said the awareness program was organized by a district agriculture officer in Imphal East under directive of Chief Minister Nongthoma Biren with an objective to make Haingang Mayailekai a model village. He said the program aims at using paddy fields after harvest of rice by cultivating vegetables.
Rabi program si theng abada khoi November ki tang 35 si manung da khoi maru marang ji hol kanda maya Manipur longmi sing na tonari si ahi marong si matik chana phajana lok pani darkar laiba maru marang si free de piba se masine khoi da problem ma department je khoi no si face tawjari ba si ma PKV ha ba scheme khaklei ngana report lori ba khoi ki officer si ano boi ba khoi chin ba koi riba officer ni ma detail si khang da ba ni 2015-16 da gi hoba scheme ni masi ki si ada 2015-16 ki scheme si first installment tharak ba lor kana second installment si government na Manipur government economically koi paisa problem lei ba haigadra yam thengna release tawduna khoi na March financial year 2016 gi paisa ji last part later part tharak padi gi paisa ji dum kai ba yadan lei badi gi khoi na thengna 17 da paisa ji in case tawro matung da second installment mamang gi 15-16 gi si hogi bani khoi 17 da hoina.
Protester burnt a vehicle in Marangching village in Noni district last night. Villagers of Marangching burnt down the vehicle belonging to Coastal Company for defying the ongoing ban on railway works in the village around 8 last night. The incident took place in Marangching village in Noni district near Kharam village. The villagers also vandalized another vehicle near Marangching village, part 3 today. It may be mentioned that the villagers have imposed a ban on rail works since December 20 to protest against the unresolved controversy over impact of railway and rehabilitation processes. Consumers Club Manipur observed the National Consumers Day at the Conference Hall of Manipur Cultural Integration Conference Palace Compound, Thangapat, Mapal. Speaking at the observance, Yashkul MLA Thokchom Saitabrata urged the government to strengthen the club and also assured that he will provide all the possible assistance to the club. He said it is necessary to make the consumers aware of their rights when exploitation of consumers' rights is on the rise. Saitabrata maintained that all the stakeholders should work towards providing rights to the consumers. He said all need to know about Consumer Commission of the state. President of Manipur Cultural Integration Conference Aribam Rajukumar and President of Consumers Club Manipur T. Fulchan were among those present at the event. It may be mentioned that the day is observed every year to mark the introduction of Consumer Protection Act on December 24, 1986 by the then President of India, Gaini Jail Singh.
consumer si bazar da leiba dukan sing da po yon ba leiba nga ti wa phum da te ba consumer na ma gi phangbam thong ba hak ma gi right chi pi ga do ni madu da gi lana chela ga di madu tori bu mi sing da di pi bam thu e ha ba sum khan na yeng bio substandard ba poaching quality handa ba poaching quantity da handa ba pot maman heta hapning ne da hapsen ba even ngasi mak chat nei ba khoi gi pds ki item sing da sarkar na si bi dong ni ha de phang da si phang ha ba consumer sing da mak ba sumba thorop thorom sing ang ba phang na lei ba ado masi mapung pha na ngasi khoi na pang thoi palan jing matung ina di consumer sing da mai dai tip pi pham thok pani na masi chap chan theng na bam thui.
Manipur University Students' Union has condemned the vandalization of the hostel room of a newly elected sports secretary of Musu, Longjam Nilakanta, on MU campus by unknown miscreants. Speaking to media persons, Musu President Mayang Lambam Dayaman said window panes of the hostel room and his belongings were vandalized by unknown miscreants on the 20th of this month. He said the students of the university had also stormed the office of the Vice-Chancellor in protest against the incident. Dayamant appealed to the university authority to identify those involved in the incident to return normalcy on the campus. He warned that the Musu will not remain silent if such incidents occurs again.
अखोगी मुसुगी ऑफिस बेरा नौन खलवा अखोगी इना अमुखकी रूम दा कनागुम सखंगदब सिंगना काय थोय थोलंबगी थौदोक अदु मुसुगी माइकैदगी अखोय लाइबक थीबने अमदि मदु अखोयना कंडेम तौजै थोरकलिबा थोअलिबा मियोयसिंग अदु मसा मसागी consequences sing adu masa masa na pujagadabani Christian lining satpa isnaw singi khwaidagi chawbu kumai ama oriba Christmas kumai na lakpada Manipur University da leiba mahairoi sing aduga teaching amadi non teaching staff sing bo koi musugi maikai dagi su yape mongol pijari lakadoi chahi 2017-18 gi musuna paikhalakpa thabak tharong khudimakta leibirba punamakna maikai khudimaktagi cooperation pbu amadi mai pakna thabak sing pakhat pangaman bi haiba appeal amatanga akon bo ina tawjari.
It's time for a small commercial break. Information and Public Relations Minister T.S. Biswajit has asked if Manipur filmmakers to make films which can have an impact on the society. We'll be back with the details. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Information and Public Relations Minister T.S. Biswajit appealed to filmmakers of the state to produce films which can have an impact on the society instead of producing just entertainment films. He also urged filmmakers to work hard to achieve national and international recognitions. Biswajit was speaking at the special show of a film Aibu Hinkora, Aibu Sikora, produced by Guru Mayum Daso Film Production at Hotel Classic Grand today. Biswajit also appealed to film critics to be objective.
Film ki oro amagi oro sotha ba jaga ji kra le ge je koi khona minaraga koi sarkar chalai bu su asu ko mayam le gani madu su ba na akoi na criticize to mo tam criticize to da bani bor apha por mo program khona to criticize to da bu positive attitude to criticize to ba ado negative attitude ta koi criticize to ka di madu ni hena social crime commit to kana khana ba chena thole kana socially atabu oire positively to ka di madu apha ba lom da chatle ba aduna positively criticize to you mayam to homni government si anything to wadabani aduga adum chakhana mo na minasi.
Lok Sabha MP Dr. T. Maina inaugurated a waiting shed at Lesangthem, Wangmataba constructed with his local area development scheme today. Dr. Maina also attended the 17th Foundation Day celebration of a public English school and distributed prizes to the students of the school who passed in first division in HSLC examination in 2017. The 26th Imphal Book Fair, jointly organized by State Central Library Department of Art and Culture and Raja Rammohn Roy Library Foundation under the aegis of Ministry of Culture, concluded today at DM College of Commerce. Speaking at the closing event, Commissioner K. Radhakumar stressed the need to create an atmosphere to cultivate a love for reading to students instead of pressurizing them to study. He said all the subjects are equally important and the students can be successful if they are allowed to pursue their favorite subjects.
kadom da chatino magi cast of mind magi inclination ji khangbi ba ji yam darkar nen khal literature of power da changa da budra ngai literature knowledge gi kenu thajal lorga de angang du su nungai ra roi mama pa su nungai ra ro masigi ji khangda ba ge yam ba tragedy si loe mathong mang khangdana kara economics ta kai da chatna sign taw ge because for every discipline of study sin heli sin wali heban ta leipote loina ma equally important in life madure doctor tamo engineer tamo ina eksu nungin su tuition pa taw taw angang ji ngau buni angang ngau de ma pa ma su ngau re aduna atop man pam je ba line da bishoy du da pisal lagadi ani ma mai pakani.
Vice Chancellor of Manipur University, Professor Adya Prasad Pandey, today said the Manipuri culture is one of the most unique cultures in India and it is necessary to translate Manipuri culture books into other languages to promote the rich culture of Manipur all across the world. He was speaking at the 45th Foundation Day celebration of Harimati Dance and Music College at Porompat. Professor Adya Prasad Pandey stated that India is a diverse country and Manipuri classical dance and songs occupy a unique place among the rich cultures of the country. A book entitled Cultural Heritage of Manipur, compiled by founder of Music College in Harimati, was also released. The students of the center performed kunjaras at the event.
Enrichment of the already enriched Manipur culture so that something can be done. And as had been mentioned that Raja Bhagichand was very much helpful for this encouragement of such type of culture. Now we can also do something, and I think if it is spread in other parts of the India, they can learn more.
One-day mass awareness program on Swachh Survekshan was held today at Singjamai Chingamathak, Thoktom Laikai. The program was organized by Imphal Municipal Corporation. Speaking at the event, Municipal Commissioner T.H. Harikumar appealed to the people to keep their localities clean. He also spoke about the ranking exercise taken up by the government under Swachh Survekshan. As a part of the program, a green bucket demonstration was also held by volunteers of Municipal Corporation, showing how to turn waste materials into fertilizers.
Akoina luxury si makto yamna phangnaba akoigi pampi da pibiyo haijabugi lakchaba nate akoina luxury si prajagi kutta akoigi prajana feedback pibira prajagi yamna chauraba thugdang ama leidi habisi yamna awareness ama pizagena lakchabani.
A meeting of businessmen from India, Thailand and Myanmar was held at the conference hall of Amore Trade Center. The meeting, organized by Commercial Affairs Royal Thai Embassy, New Delhi, discussed ways and means to develop trade between India, Thailand and Myanmar. Representative of Commercial Affairs Royal Thai Embassy, Tharadol Thongruan Kim Martin represented Tamu Chambers of Commerce Myanmar, while S. Rishik Kumar of AMIA presented India at the meeting. Seven S Industries LPG Go Gas Agency, a private LPG agency, was opened today to ease the problem facing the people due to scarcity of cooking gas. The agency, which will be operated in association with a multinational company in Indonesia, was opened at Masum Plaza building opposite Chinga Lairenbi Mandir Singjamai supermarket. Documents of gas connections and gas cylinders weighing 21 kg were distributed to the first customers of the agency at the inaugural event. The gas cylinders of the agency weighed 6 kg heavier than the normal cylinders, and the connection along with the gas cylinders is available at 5,000 rupees. Consumers need not book in advance. New gas cylinders can be bought at 1,750 rupees from the agency.
अखोगी मणिपुर गैस सिलिंडर की अखोगी स्कार्सिटी है तारेको असी मरांग काइना फंगदबा अखोगी अदगी कंज्यूमर सिंगसिना अखोगी गैस से हेक लोग कान ब्लैक तगी लेबगी ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯜ ꯇꯥꯡ ꯂꯩꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯃꯁ꯭ꯌꯥꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯉꯩ ꯀꯣꯛꯍꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯒꯣ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯀꯝꯄꯅꯤꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯟꯁ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯅꯦ ꯉꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯟꯁ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯁꯨ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯩ ꯍꯥꯡꯖꯔꯦ LPG ꯁꯤ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯟꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯒꯣ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯜꯃꯣꯁ ꯁꯦꯝꯅꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯁꯇꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯒꯣ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯁꯀꯤ ꯐꯦꯁꯤꯂꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯕꯨꯀꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯕꯩ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯦꯟ ꯀꯅꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯁ ꯀꯅꯦꯛꯁꯟꯁꯤꯃ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯒꯅꯤꯀꯣ
Angalwadi workers and helpers under the aegis of a trade union Manipur held a sit-in at Moirang Koiru Mandap, Bishnupur district, demanding an increase in their salary. Secretary of a trade union Manipur, L. Sotin Kumar said, if the government does not pay heed to the demands of workers with minimum pay, the union is prepared to launch agitation in a large scale all over the country. Angalwadi workers, helpers, ASHA and several workers from Bishnupur district took part in the protest. A 9-day winter camp for students from class 2 to 10 began today at the community hall of Tentha Kuno Awang Laikai in Thoubal district. Youth Development Association Tentha Kuno Awang Laikai organized a camp to promote talent and experience. Former Art and Culture Minister Dr. Moirangthem Nara, Commandant of Sector Headquarter BSF Hidam Subol and people of the area attended the inauguration of the camp. 253 students will compete in arts, culture and sports, while experts on different fields will also interact with the students during the camp. Yungkhaibam Samir, son of Y. Kanta from Moirang Kokilbon, who bags the first position at the national level painting competition on energy conservation, was felicitated today. The competition was organized by Ministry of Power at Noida, Uttar Pradesh on December 12th. The felicitation was held by Moirang Kendra Progressive Front at Moirang Philem Laikai. President Ramnath Kovind presented the certificate to Samir on December 14th. One-day diabetes detection camp was held at Lizard Library, Wangkai Mahupam, Lampak today. Smart Society, a branch of Salai Holdings Private Limited, organized the camp. Free medicines sponsored by Smart Medicos and Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jan Aushadhi Kendra were also distributed at the camp. Speaking to media persons, Secretary of Smart Society Narembam Dhanapati said there is an alarming rise in number of people with diabetes in Manipur. She said Smart Society organized a camp to help prevention of the disease. Dhanapati said similar camp was organized for Imphal West district and they will organize similar camps in another district also. 3 doctors and 5 nurses attended the camp.
One day, akoina diabetes detection and its prevention camp. Imphal East ki oina pangthok sabane. Imphal West ki su pangthok khare mamangda. Ado mamangda su khoi society ki oiba program macha di myam pangthok khare. Ado ngasi ki oina akoina sida wangkhai mehubam lampak sida akoina taurisina Imphal East ki oina akoigi diabetes ki program asi pangthok sabane. Program asina akoigi lairiba miyamda kitang paujel adagi masidagi akoina kitang ngakthokpada mateng oigadra haiduna akoigi smart society ki satagi site tagi akoina program asi pangthok sabane.
Manipur Mano Harsai Ashram, Wangkai Ningthem Pukri Mapal, today presented its new production called Prabhanda in Mano Harsai Sankirtan at Purai Latpam Mandap at Brahmapur Guru Aribam Laikai. Speaking at the event, a former Pradhan Guru of Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, S. Thanil, said there has been a decline in this art form, but due to efforts by dedicated Mano Harsai artists, this art form is improving. He stressed that it is necessary to train young artists to promote and protect Mano Harsai.
Manusai sida hojik taseng haiba tarbodi Bharat ki manunga saiba sesap torba mayam si ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯅꯠ ꯁꯪꯒꯤꯇꯟꯒꯤ ꯁꯩꯍꯦꯛ ꯁꯩꯗꯥ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯡꯃꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯇꯥꯕꯗ ꯅꯥꯀꯣꯡꯗ ꯆꯪꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯅꯣꯔꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯩꯍꯦꯛ ꯁꯩꯗꯥ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯩꯁꯨ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯧꯕ ꯃꯅꯣꯔꯁꯥ ꯑꯁꯣꯝꯅ ꯍꯤꯟꯗꯨꯁꯇꯥꯅꯤꯗꯩꯁꯨ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯦ.
Singju Peace Cycle Rally was held from the Kangla Gate till Lamdeng Makha Laikai Lampak in Lamshang, which is the venue, the third Singju Festival 2018, to be held from December 28 to January 8. The cycle rally was jointly organized by Singju Festival Committee, Manipur Cycle Club and Green Revolutionary Cyclist Manipur. Alumni of Ramlal Paul Higher Secondary School 1985 matric batch extended help to several orphan homes of Manipur on the eve of their 10th get-together today. They distributed food items to Mongsangay Old Age Home and Achangbigay Porel Nawakol. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Governor, Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister greet people on the eve of Christmas. A girl student files PIL to High Court on incompletion of water projects under National Rural Drinking Water Program in Manipur. Paddy crops of at least 450 hectares of fields were destroyed by rain early this month. And protesters destroyed vehicles in Marangching village for violating ban against railway construction in Noni district.